Hello, good morning all of you. Welcome to my channel Physics in Motion, and today we are going to discuss about the expected cutoff for MBBS admissions 2021 in Andhra Pradesh, government as well as private medical colleges. So let us move one by one. First of all, we are talking about ACSR Government Medical College, Nellore. In general category, we expect the cutoff to be around 584, and in OBC category it should be near about 560 for ACSR Government Medical College, Nellore. Next, Alluri Sita Ramaraju Academy of Medical Science, Iluru. General category should close at a score of about 568 and OBC at a score of 555. There is a management quota in this college, and if you are applying through management quota, the cutoff score should be near about 458. Next, we are talking about Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam. In general category, cutoff score should be around 567, and in OBC it should be around 551. Next, we are talking about Apollo Institute of Medical Science and Research, Chittor. Remember, there are two colleges of Apollo Group. One is in Hyderabad, that belongs to Telangana. We will be discussing about that in Telangana slide. Okay, today we are discussing about Andhra Pradesh, Chittor Medical College, Apollo Institute of Medical Science and Research, Chittor. In general category, it should close near about 569, and for OBC the cutoff score should be near about 553. If you are applying to management quota, it should close at a score of near about 428. Next, we are talking about Pinnamaneni Siddhartha Institute of Medical Science. In general category, the cutoff score should be near about 583, and in OBC it should be 532. In case of management quota, general category 418 should be the closing score. So I hope so you all have been planning for your admissions, and now for Andhra Pradesh I am giving you all the details. I have made slides for almost all the states, and you can look onto them. You can plan which states are open, which states are closed. In case of closed states, only domiciled candidates can apply, but for open states, even outsiders can apply. So you have to plan accordingly. Counseling must be held with full dedication, not only for the first round, for first round, second round, mop-up round, as well as for spray vacancy round. So in case you plan well, even a lower score, comparatively lower, not very low, can get you a very good college. So next we are talking about Gayatri Vidya Parishad Institute of Healthcare and Medical Technology, Visakhapatnam. In general category it should close near about 563, and in OBC it should be near about 524. Through management quota, cutoff score can be around 378. Great Eastern Medical School and Hospital, Srikakulam. General category must close near about 574 and OBC near about 531. Through management quota, you can get admission at a score about 381 approx. These are all predictions, and you can plan well according to these predictions. Your score, your rank, as well as the predictions, they can make you get admission into a very good college. GSL Medical College and General Hospital, general category must close near about 574 and OBC 540. Whereas through management quota, you can get admission into this college at a score of 426. Next, Guntur Medical College, there is no management quota. In general category, you can get 619, and OBC category is expected to close at a score of about 608. Requires a bit higher score. It's a good medical college. Katuri Medical College and Hospital, Guntur. General category must close at near about 577, and OBC at a score of about 541. Whereas through management quota, you can easily get admission at a score of near about 401. Next, Konaseema Institute of Medical Science and Research Foundation. General category 540 and OBC 521, and through management quota, you can easily get at 397. Next, Maharajas Institute of Medical Science, Nallimarla. General category must close at a score of around 542 and OBC 523. Through management quota, it must be closed somewhere around 378. Nirma Institute of Medical Science, Vijayawada. It's a Muslim minority college, and general category must close at a score of about 469, and through management quota you can get admission at a very small score of near about 176 also. NRI Institute of Medical Science, Sangivalsa, general category 570 and OBC 381, means general 570 and through management quota 381. NRI Medical College, general category 586, OBC 568, and through management quota you can get admission at a score of near about 491. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Medical Science, Ongole, general category 576 and OBC 546. Next, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Medical Science, Srikakulam, general category should close near about 588 and OBC at a score of near about 550. You can comment in the comment box in case you feel like asking something, you have any doubts regarding counseling. This is a free counseling channel. We don't charge anything for counseling. So you can just ask your doubts if you wish, if you feel like. And please like the video if you liked it and press the bell notification for further so that you are updated timely. Rangaraya Medical College, Kakinada, general should close at a score of near about 605 and OBC at a score of near about 584. Next I am talking about Fatima Institute of Medical Science, Kadapa. It's again a Muslim minority college and general category requires a score of 608. Even though it's a minority college, it requires a bit higher score. 608 should be closing for general category and for OBC it should be near about 589. Next we are talking about Government Medical College, Anantapur. General category must close near about 581 and through OBC category it should be near about 559. Kurnool Medical College, Kurnool. It requires a score of near about 609 to get admission into it. Very good college. Next, Narayana Medical College and Hospital. For general category it should close near about 538 and for OBC the closing score should be near about 531. PES Institute of Medical Science and Research. Through general category you require at least 556 and through OBC you require around 519. And yes, if you are applying through management quota, you can get admission into this college for MBBS course at a score of near about 414. Next we are talking about Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Medical Science, Kadapa, general 568 and OBC 556. Next, Santiram Medical College and General Hospital, Nandyal. General category must close near about 541 and OBC 500. And yes, through management quota you can get admission into this college at a score of near about 400. Sri Venkateshwara Medical College, Tirupati Balaji. It's very close to it. And the general category score required is a bit higher, that 602 minimum score for which you can get MBBS admission into this college. And through OBC, if you belong to OBC category, you can get admission at a score of near about 590. Vishwabharati Medical College and General Hospital, Kurnool. General category requires a score of around 547 and OBC 500. And through management quota, you can get admission at a score of near about 362. These were the medical colleges of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, I would also like to inform you that after first round there is second round, and in second round when you get a good seat you don't have an exit option there. So sometimes in mop-up round the score required is much higher as compared to the second round. So plan well कि you are getting seat within the second round or you are waiting for the mop-up round, because mop-up round is at a bit higher score what we observed for last 2 years. In case you don't get there also, you have to wait for the stray vacancy round. Plan well, and I wish you all the very best so that you get admissions into your dream college. See you in the next video soon. Goodbye.